Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen, you just have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have this button, record screen. Tap on it once and recording will start. Let's record our screen for a bit, maybe some settings, and just tap on it one more time to stop recording. You can find your recording in gallery in the videos section here. The recording will start. Let's record our screen for a bit, maybe some settings, and just tap on it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.